At Pete and Gerry's Organic Eggs, our farm in Monroe, New Hampshire, our hens produce a little bit more manure than we're able to use on the fields around our farm. We just put in a compost system, just finished it last fall, so we're learning how to use it. The hen manure is an incredible resource. The nitrogen levels in poultry manure are off the charts, so it's an incredible fertilizer, but we want to put it in a form that's more accessible and easier to use for farmers, backyard farmers, or even commercial farmers in our region. So the compost system will mix the manure with a carbon source, which may be dried hay or straw or shavings. It will compost over a period of about 60 or 90 days, and then the material is actually without odor. It's a fertilizer that it's more persistent. It'll actually last longer to augment the soil nutrition. And so it'll be an incredible resource, hopefully, for our area, for small-scale farmers and large. The hens on our farm produce a little bit more manure than we can utilize on the fields around the farm. So we are thrilled to have formed a partnership with my friend Pete Johnson, who has Pete's Greens over in northern Vermont, not too far away from us. And Pete is passionate about soil health, and he's passionate about growing organic vegetables. So Pete's been able to use our manure on his crops and on his fields to grow some of the finest vegetables in the area. And in return, he is doing a CSA for our employees. He's bringing over root vegetables and all kinds of vegetables for the summer. So it's an excellent arrangement. We're pretty excited about it. We live near our farm, and we want to be stewards of the land around our farm and that are part of our farm. It's important to us that there's open spaces, that there's green hayfields, that there's healthy forests around our farm. We live here. It's important that we take care of our environment on our farm. Our compost from certified organic hens is going to be incredibly high in nitrogen, and compost is an incredible resource for fields and vegetable growing because it's persistent in the soil, and it can help out the nutritive value in the soils and create healthy soils that will last for generations.